Well, our communal area is an absolute state today, as both Les and I are getting ready to go up to the Harrogate show tomorrow. So I've got my tiny toolkit ready. Half of Les's AV stuff is down there. And Les is also making a bunch of tools that he needs to take with him. So he's doing some tool handles and packing those up too. And all I'm taking is this one box here that has the stuff in that I need to give to Emma so she can sell the books. And I've got tiny toolkit. And that's it. It is actually quite a relief not to have to be renting a van and having to have bought, a ton of stock in order to go up to the show this year. But it is going to be good. I'm looking forward to it, even though I am pretty much going just as a visitor. I've had a little chat with Emma this morning about logistics for tomorrow and the setup day, and I'm pretty much ready to go now. I can just crack on with some admin. So as you can see from the date just down here, time has been moving on since I did any recording for Turner's Journey. And that's down to a couple of things, but I'm going to save that for probably the next episode. So where did I leave off? Well, I left off just as I was getting ready to go to the Harrogate show. So what actually happened whilst we were there? Well, it was a decent show. I think it was only 2 days this year. It's normally 3, but for this long story why it's only 2. But anyway, had a decent journey up there. Only took me 5.5 hours. Nice long jolly jaunt up the M1 all the way up into Yorkshire and the beautiful town of Harrogate. And when I got there, which was on the Thursday, I think it was, I met up with Emma and gave her the books and got myself sorted out with a little sort of stand area just tucked into the corner of her demo place, ready to see people on the Friday and the Saturday. So taking a little look around the show, there were obviously, or rather not obviously, but there were some names missing from the lineup, as it were. But I think the organisers did a reasonably good job of filling up those spaces with some new businesses that I'd certainly never seen there before. So it was nice to see some new businesses and some new faces there. And as far as turnout was concerned, apparently there were roughly 4,000 odd people on each of the 2 days, but I don't know exactly how many people. It certainly felt quite busy, certainly on the Friday, perhaps not so busy on the Saturday, but as I said, unless you're wandering around a lot of the time during these shows, you're not really going to get a massive feel for how many people there are, because you're sort of concentrating on the things that you need to do. I did a couple of demos on Emma's stand. They were really good fun. So if you stopped by, well, if you're watching and you went to the show and you stopped by and caught a few minutes or all of the demonstrations that I did for Emma, one on the Friday, one on the Saturday, thank you very much indeed. But other than that, it was a good show. Had a couple of good fun nights out. So if I bumped into you at Wetherspoons in Harrogate, thank you very much indeed for your company. It was an absolute pleasure spending some time with you. And that's about it for Harrogate. Not sure if I'll go next year though. We'll see. It's always a good couple of days meeting people and going out and having some fun. So other than that, since Harrogate, it's just been sort of life as normal here in the workshop. We've done some teaching and I've got some bits and pieces sorted out. But as I said, I'm going to leave those sorts of bits for probably the next episode. And I can't, because I'm so behind with recording Turner's Journey, I'm not even sure what date this video is going out. I think it's going out, I don't know, 26th, 27th of December, something like that. So, you know, I've lost best part of 3 weeks, 3 weeks filming time.
There, right around there, there, there. And then when it was on drop there, now I've made a
I do need to think of some other things to be putting in the next one, but I am teaching over the next 3 days, so you will probably see some of that in an episode coming up soon. So anyway, thank you very much indeed for watching. Have a great day or have a great week, and I'll see you soon for another episode of Turner's Journey. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.